Hi friends, today I'm going to create the enterprise structure of a company, and we will create the GL accounts, and in this video I'm trying to cover till we are able to make the posting in GL accounts. So to create the enterprise structures and financial accounting global structures, these are the necessary steps which we need to complete sequentially to create and run the company and post the data in the system in GL accounting only. We are going to configure the GL posting, AR posting, AP posting, bank accounting, asset accounting, controlling integrations and other things. So this is the first series of video which I am going to demonstrate to create the enterprise structures. Hope these settings is able to help you to understand the SAP structure for FICO only. We are going to create and SD structures also to post the data, and we will do the integration of FI with and SD also. So in this enterprise structure, we are assuming that we are working for a company. For example, I am taking it here Toronto Steel Limited, which is a Canadian company, and this company is doing the production of steels and other activities. And under this company, we are going to create a company code TOSC, Toronto Steel basically, which is having address of Toronto and so on. So let us start. So I will create this one by one for your understanding these steps. So to create the enterprise structures, first of all, we need to understand the different screens which are available in SAP. So this is called SAP Easy Screen. These screens are used by end users to post the transactional data into the systems or creation of master data also. If you are working as an SAP FICO consultant, that means, and you want to make some modification into the system, then you need to go to the SPRO in implementation guide screen. So there are two ways to go to that screen. Either you need to go, you can type down at SPRO at here. System will automatically take you to the SAP reference IMG, or you can create the favorite and write down the SPRO transaction at here and simply double click on the system automatically take you to that particular screen. So now to create an enterprise structure for FI, we need to go to SAP reference menu, implementation guide, go to the enterprise structures, click on definition, financial accounting, define company. So company, click on new entry. So as per our structure, so this will be my company name. It is a 6 character. Toronto Steels Inc. Streets, let us say Don Valley Street. Code, postal code is let us say M1T 2R6. City, let us say, is Toronto. Country is in Canada. Language is EN. As this company belongs to Canada, so my currency will be Canadian currency. So CAD is my Canadian currency. Enter. So there is a problem in postal code. So I think F4 M1T 2R6 is the T code, and press save it. So now I am going to copy this step one by one and put this in Excel file for your understanding. So go to snippets, new entry, take this, copy and input here this screen. You can use T code OX15 directly if you want to create the company. Now company code is created at board level. Broad level means this company may have their existence globally. For example, they are having one company which is working in Canada, second company which is working in USA, third company which is working in Greater Britain, and third company which is working in China, or fifth company which is working in India also. But this company want to see the consolidated report. So this is the top level hierarchy of my company. Then what is my next step? My next step is to create a company code. So my company code is which one? So go at here, put up your second step. So now to create a company code, you need to go to save this, go back, edit, copy, delete, check company code. Double click on this option, click on this clock, click on edit company code. These are the company codes which are already created in this system in client 400. So if you want to create a new company code, you need to click at here, new entries, and at here, as per my this scenario, my company code should be this. So it is a 4-character ID company, and your company is having 6 character alphanumeric, and company code is 4-character alphanumeric. You can assign any number, ranges or something like that. So it is Toronto Steel Inc. City is Toronto, country is Canada, currency is CAD, and language is EN. So now if you noted that there is a difference between we have assigned the currency at here also, and we have assigned the currency to my company also. So what is the difference between these currencies? As I told you earlier that my one company may belongs to other country, for example for US country. So in that case I need to create a company code and provide the country which is US, and your currency may be different, USD currency. In the coming class I will create another company also which is for USA, then you are able to understand the difference. Now if you press Ctrl S8 here, you will find another screen in which the system is asking you to provide the address of the company, location. So here I will specify company, Toronto Steel Inc. Don Valley Street, put up 789, some address, postal code is M1T2R6, Toronto, India, Ontario, mode of communication. So here you can put up the address, telephone number of your company, mobile number if you put up, fax number, email ID. So whatsoever information is having, you can input it here also. Click on copy and save it. So now I am again taking the screenshot of this, copy, go to Excel, go to this screen. This is the first screen I have created, and in the next screen I need to provide the address things so that you may able to know what information I need to fill up. So this information may differ from company to company configurations. Now I move to the third configuration, define segments. So let us say this steel division is working in different components. Let us say they are having in steel as well as in cement manufacturing also. So in that case, if the government or some other third party asks me to present the financial statement according to different segments, so that we need to define first. So in this scenario, we need to go to the SAP, follow the path, close this. Business area, functional area, we will do later. Business area is outdated. Instead of business area, we are using segments. So click on define segments. So I am using this, or I can create new also. But for the time being, I am using this SNCMT as an one segment. And this is SN steel. I am using this one. And one segment I created, let us say for corporate. So that means sometimes the company may interested to see the corporate profit and loss also. So at here I have created this, let us say SN Corp. So go to the system, new, select this. So there are other components also created. So I am going to highlight what segments I am created. For example, this one, and this one I am using. Copy. We can change the name also, it's not a big issue. For this, go to the define segments, Control C, and go to the Excel. At here, Control V, and at here copy and Control V. I hope this is you are able to understand this till now. Now next step is I need to assign my company code to my company so that it can work as an one organization. To make the assignment to my company code, I need to go to the path, go back, click this, close these definitions, click on assignments, financial accounting, assign company to company code, double click at here. So what is your company name? Company code TOSE, and at here what is your company name? TO STE. Enter and save. Okay, everyone, I hope everyone is understanding this thing. So these are the settings which we have done from FI point of view. We will come to these screens again when we are define the controlling area and assignment of controlling area to my company codes. Now we need to go define the global settings. Global settings means those components which are required to post the data into the systems helpful. For example, financial accounting global settings, we are having ledger setting, document setting, fiscal year setting, posting period variant setting. So that different settings we need to do before proceeding further. So for that, go to ledger. First of all, let us go to the Excel sheet. So under Excel sheet, these things we have done. Okay, so let me input the screenshot of that also. Enterprise structures, assignment, financial accounting, sign company, TOSE, and snippet. Click this, copy, Control V. Okay, I hope it is clear till now. Now what is my next step? My next step is define fiscal year. So first of all, we need to understand what is fiscal year. Fiscal year is a variant which need to assign to your company code. So fiscal years are basically two type: year dependent fiscal year, non year independent fiscal years. So year independent fiscal year can further be bifurcated into calendar year and non-calendar year. So for calendar year, my fiscal year always start from January to December, and we need January to December. And for non-calendar years, we need to adjust the year with my posting period so that we can post the data according to fiscal year. For example, in Canada, if the company is following the calendar year Jan to December, it is possible that for Indian company they will face the fiscal year which start from April to March. So in that case, we need to define fiscal year as a calendar year, and we need to match the month of a year with posting periods. Second type of fiscal year is year independent. So year independent fiscal year are basically used to for shortened fiscal year, and the value is fixed for fiscal year. So if you want to use this fiscal year again, that means you need to create a fiscal year again for your system. So this is the settings which need to be done for fiscal year. So now we are going to follow the standardized fiscal year in the system. Control V, go to the SAP. Be sure to save whatsoever work you are doing at here. For that, we need to go to financial accounting, fiscal year, maintain fiscal year. These are the standards settings which is provided by SAP. You can create your new one, and if you want to use the system define, you can use that also. So here you can see we are using K4. K4 is already defined and it is ticked as calendar year, and there are 12 posting periods as a normal posting period and 4 special periods for posting period. So what do you mean by special posting periods? Special posting periods are basically used for closing activities. For example, you prepare the books. Your fiscal year is and start in January and end in December. But to make some adjustment, some further posting, some error which is suggested by auditors, so that can be incorporated into the previous year, right? Current year, sorry, previous year. So in that case, those entries are posted in special period posting, but those data belongs to my previous periods. So when we do the practicals, then you are able to understand. So for this, take a snippet shot, copy, go to the Excel file and Control V at here. I hope till now it is clear to everyone. Now next step is assign fiscal year to company code. So we need to make the assignment of a fiscal year to company code so that system automatically pick up that settings. So how to do that? For that you need to go to SAP, go back, assign company code to fiscal year variant. So click at here, select your company, TOSE, and hit here. You need to assign K4, press enter, snippet shot, new entry, click at here, highlight this settings which we have done, copy, go to Excel, Control paste it here. Now what is my next step? Posting period variant. Posting period variant is basically used to control the end users. So normally we will allow the users to post the business transaction in current month only. We will not allow the user to post data either in previous year, previous period, or next period, because if they post the data in previous years, all the finalized data periodically books are affected. So that's why we need to assign a posting period variants, and we will open the posting period variant for the company code. So for that I am using this controlling area, Control V. This is already defined by me, so for that go to here. As I told you, save the data, otherwise if you make some changes, system will not allow you. So first define variant for opening posting period. So I am using tasked posting period. So copy, go to Excel file, control period. Then next is assign PPV to company code. Save it, go back, assign variant to company code, select your company code, TOSE, and assign TAST. Snippet shot, copy, go to the Excel file at here. Then next step is need to assign the values in this posting periods. Go back, save it, open and close posting period. Test is your posting period. So this is the account types. These account types for the timing are allowed to make posting from 1st to 12th. In real scenario, we will change it as per our requirements. So snippets, go back, copy Excel file, add here, Control V, done. So these 4, 5, 6 steps we have completed. Now we come to the field status. Field status variant. Why we need the field status variant? Field status variant is contained field status groups, and these field status groups are assigned to your GL master data. So what is the main function of field status group? Field status group control the line item of that particular data. So when you post any document in SAP, in line items there are lot of fields. If you want to restrict the user to either forcefully input the data, so in that case you need to change the field status group and make the assignments. So I am using this field status group variant task. Under this field status task, we are having different field status group. Go to SAP, go back, close this, go to fields, field status variant. So here I already defined fast task, copy, go to the system, Control V, and now if I take you to the task, so under task these are the different field status groups are created, and if you check any field status group, here you can see the field status. So if I click at here, so you can suppress that particular field, you can make this field as a requirement entry, you can make this field as an optional entry. So this is the general data settings. If you move an additional account assignment, so these are the object which are suppressed in G001. Profit center is optional. Optional means you can provide or not provide it. The system will not restrict you if you don't input the profit center. So profitability segments, plants, that means these are the different fields. If you want to input that into the system, then you will make as an optional entry. Suppress means the system will not allow you to post the entry when book the entry in the system. So different field statuses are available in this task. So this is the task. Okay, I will put up the value of task also. Available field statuses, snippets, copy, go to Excel file, Control V. Okay friends, so we have done the setting up to this field status. Then next is assign this field status to my company code. So how to do that? Need to go to the SAP, save it, go back, assign company code to field status, go to TOSE and assign TAST at here, snippets, new entry, copy, field. Control V. This is the assign field status to the company code. Hope till now everyone is comfortable with me till now. Now document types are already defined in the systems. What do you mean by document types? Document types are used to segregate different business transactions. For example, asset document type used for GL posting, KR is used for vendor invoice posting, KZ is used for vendor payments, DR is for customer invoice, DZ for customer payments. So these are some of the documents which is already defined in the systems. So I will show you documents created in this system. So you can create your own document types also. It's up to your requirements. So click on document types. Here you can see different document types are there. So if you click on, for example, SA, so under these document types, we need to assign the number ranges and which account types allowed to be posted. And these document types will control the header data of your entry screen. Okay. So we will use the standard one. We are not going to create any new document type. Now posting key. What do you mean by posting key? Posting keys are basically used to control, used to specify that particular account may be debited or credited. Either it is debited or either it is credited. And which account types are allowed to be posted with that particular posting key. For example, 40 is need to debit your GL account, 50 is need to credit your GL accounts, 70 is used to post your asset accounting, 50 is used to post, 75 is used to post your credit your asset accounting. Same way, 31 is for your to credit your vendor. So there are different posting key, and again these posting keys are specified to differentiate your business transactions. And the next thing is define document number in the company code. So number range is already defined in the document type. So if you go to the system in OBA7, you can find document type. So if you click any document type, so these 03 number is already defined in the system, assigned, but these number range must be created in the company code. So how to create that number ranges? There are three ways to create it. Either you can create with the help of FBN1 transaction code, or you can copy from existing company code, or you can copy from one fiscal year to another fiscal year. We are using this second option to create the document number. So for that, go to the system, save it, go back, SPRO, SAP reference menu, financial accounting, financial accounting global settings, document number ranges. So I am using this functionality, copy to company code, number range 00 to ZZ, that means all the number range with this range for fiscal year 2025. My source company, let me use 1100, and my target is TOSE, company code. Enter, execute, yes. So here you can see the message that this number range is added to your company code. So how to check it? Click on define number ranges, input your company code, click on interval. So here you can see the number ranges are copied from existing company code to new company code. So my dear friend, please remember that earlier whatsoever changes we are doing, for that a transport request is generated. So transport request is used to transfer the configuration from one client or one system to another system. But for document type, system is not allowing you to create the number ranges, because it may possible that in your existing system they are using some number ranges. So if the transport request is generated, that may override your existing setting. So to prevent that setting, they will not allow you to create a transport request for document numbers or any other number ranges, because they are assuming that if you use this transport request, that will override the existing document posted in the system. I hope till now it is clear to everyone. Now go to this system. So next topic, I am going to create this general ledger accounting. So we have done the configurations up to enterprise structures and financial accounting global settings. In the next video, I am preparing these further settings to create the GL account in the system. Hope you like the video. Please comment below if you like the video, to encourage me to create further video for your knowledge and exposure. Thank you.